Pretty little baby, you say that maybe you'll be thinking of me and try to love.
Look at this absolute unit of a fluffy cloud enjoying a professional face massage before deciding to launch a chaotic flying squirrel attack today. Starting with a quiet nap, this orange tabby and his tiny human companion quickly trade peaceful dreams for a chaotic laughing fit while surrounded by donuts. Their morning nap turned into total comedy gold.
When I am sad.
That magical frequency finally worked because this majestic tiger is now demanding snacks and immediate forehead scratches. Stop scrolling and witness this cloud of fluff demanding your immediate undivided attention. Big cat energy meets domestic reality in this chaotic living room safari. Our leggy serval friend seems to think the grumpy Bengal is actually a very expensive designer pillow or perhaps a savory afternoon snack. Meanwhile, those wide turquoise eyes are screaming for a manager or at least a temporary restraining order. Behold the culinary chaos as this feline chef conducts a kitchen symphony with a confused canine instrument. No recipe required when you have paws and wooden spoons. It is a masterpiece of domestic drama and questionable catering advice. Behold this majestic orange predator navigating the treacherous terrain of a concrete ledge and an old wooden ladder. He explores the heights with the confidence of a mountain lion yet possesses.
So I make these from our hen's feathers. Cole loves them, and they have a silver vine stick on them so that he can chew the stick instead of my fingers. He loves these things.
Asik, Maya sampai berdiri. Gak punya teman gak apa-apa deh. Cukup mainan yang sederhana aja.
This adorable kitty has clearly forgotten how to be a solid object. Witness the rare liquid cat in its natural habitat, expertly demonstrating that bones are merely an optional suggestion when it is time for a cozy nap. This tiny tuxedo flip is currently processing a major system error because that pink feather toy is clearly defying every known law of physics and common kitten sense today.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Behold this majestic beast in its natural habitat, expertly vacuuming up every single crunchie. Why does she eat like the rent is due when she is 3 months behind? This tiny furry vacuum has zero chill and absolutely no table manners at all today. This majestic white cloud just woke up and decided that looking this fabulous requires at least 5 more minutes of aggressive face grooming and silent judging. Watch this tiny cloud try to battle the scary stick. He lost the fight but definitely won our hearts with that confused little face and maximum fluffy energy.
What do you think, Whackers Bonkers? Go then. Ooh, you naughty Whackers Bonk.
Wait, did that ghost just fly past? No, just a bug. Okay, I am officially bored. Back to... Trust your mother to catch you when life gets high, but remember that ground is always closer than your very dramatic landing. Look at this majestic beast acting like a total drama king. 1 minute he is contemplating life and the next he is demanding all the chin scratches. Life is hard when you are this cute and pampered daily. Witness the ultimate monochrome cuddle puddle featuring a high-contrast collection of Sleepy House Panthers and tiny cloud replicas. It seems the printer ran out of colored ink after the first kitten because we have one majestic tabby surrounded by a fleet of snowy white fluff balls. They are currently recharging their chaotic energy levels under a cozy blanket fort. This is a very rare look at a secret meeting of the local nap committee where the primary agenda is dreaming about tuna and occupying as much legroom as possible.
자치단체장 1위는 오세훈 서울시장으로 72억 8천여만 원을 보유했습니다. 전체 고위 공직자 중 재산 총액 1위는 이세훈 표방 독도지사.
Imitating Milo's crying.
Your dog looks at you like you are the entire world.
하나만 보면 오해합니다.
From intense staring contests to leaning on your leg for a cozy nap, these little gestures prove you are their favorite person.
이 중에서
Does your furry best friend act like this or just want more treats?
행동일 가능성이 높습니다. 여러분 강아지는 몇 개 해당되나요?